Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Through this video, I will show you a necklace design. I have only one request to you. Please watch the video till the end. I hope you will like this video. For this video, we will use crystal and nylon thread. This same design you can also be done by using pearls. By using 8 mm green color crystal, we will make a chain. For this chain, I have used total 10 pieces of 8 mm crystal. Now we will make the line just below it. To make this bottom line, we will use 9 pieces 8 mm crystal in total. We will make the line below it in the same way. We are using 8 pieces 8 mm crystal to make the third line. In this way, we will continue to make chains. We will continue to make this chain towards to reduce the crystal one by one. We will complete this triangle. Let's finish it by using an 8 mm crystal. We will make another triangle to look like this, and we will continue to make the chains of this necklace based on these two triangles. Use 8 mm crystal, total 12 pieces. Then we will add a 5 mm pearl, a 6 mm crystal and a 5 mm pearl, and this time we will add 10 pieces of 8 mm green color crystal in a row. For the middle portion of the chain we will use a 5 mm, a 12 mm and a 5 mm off-white pearls. This time we will add 10 pieces crystal again. Now our first chain is complete. We will first use 8 mm to make this second chain. We take crystal in total of 13 pieces. Then we will add a 5 mm pearl, a 6 mm crystal and a 5 mm pearl. This time we will add 11 pieces of 8 mm green color crystal in a row. For the middle portion of the chain, we will use a 5 mm, a 12 mm and a 5 mm pearl. Now we will add 11 pieces crystal again, then a 5 mm pearl, a 6 mm crystal again and a 5 mm pearl, then add a total of 13 pieces 8 mm crystal. Now our second chain is complete. In this way we have 10 chains in total. I will make and add one crystal in each case. I hope you like this necklace design. Please give a like, comment, and I have a request to all those friends who have not subscribed to your channel yet. Please subscribe to your channel Diyartiepie. We will add jump ring on the side of the necklace to attach the tassel. Bye bye dear.